Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are comparing Basecamp and Notion, two powerhouse productivity tools. Whether you are managing a team or your personal project, we'll break down the key differences to help you pick the right one. Let's dive in. First up, Basecamp. It's built for teams with a strong focus on communication and collaboration features like message boards, to-dos, schedules, and real-time group chat. Keep everyone on the same page. It's straightforward and works best if you want a no-fuss platform to manage team projects. Pros: simple interface, team-oriented, great for collaboration. Cons: limited flexibility, not ideal for personal use. Now let's talk about Notion. This is a more customizable workspace for both individuals and teams. With its building block system, you can create anything: databases, wikis, task lists, and more. It's perfect if you love flexibility and don't mind spending time setting things up. Pros: highly customizable, great for both personal and team use. And the cons are steeper learning curve, can feel overwhelming. So, which one should you choose? If you are managing a team project and need something simple, go with Basecamp. But if you want customization and a tool that adapts to your style, Notion is your best bet. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.